It was a support. 638.02 was a support at 6:50 a.m. Then it was just a support for what? Like for 2 hours. And then we cracked it. 638.02, guys, as long as we're below 638.02, bearish. It was a support. But caveat is that we're above last week's highs, aka Friday's highs. But let them go first. Let's see. I want to see them break last week's highs, or I want to see them break 638. Let's see what they do. Because they could be dancing around in the 40 cent channel. Last week's highs is very, very, very strong. It's a weekly level. Let's see what they do. 100% cash. I did not swing anything, thank God. So my mind will be great. You guys had a good weekend. Good morning, everyone.
No news Monday. We got nothing today. I'm just looking at I'm looking at that level I posted. See if we crack through it or not. 637 30s, somewhere in that area. We close below and try to push into yesterday's range or not. It's going to be the deciding factor for me. I mean, granted, all week, dude, we sell off in the morning. All week last week, we sell off in the morning and then hit the reverse gear. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Market's just a freaking animal, man. I know you guys don't like when I do this, but can you look at TTD? What the hell is TTD? Joey, if this stock is under $10, I'm gonna yell at you. $86. Is that the one? Looks bullish. We're bullish. We cracked supply from May 13th. Just made it demand around $80. And it's making a little cup.
What is it? Trade desk?
Yeah, it's bullish. That's
Trade
supply
desk?
right
Weren't they just admitted into S&P 500? Am I wrong?
Oh, Joey, they got earnings next Thursday. And last earnings report, they went blast off mode. Interesting.
Joey, divert your mind to SPY only, buddy. Trust me. Make more money. How do you look at this trash?
114's price target, yeah. You're correct. If they break out of this range, it's empty. It's empty, empty, empty. But that freaking big
Be
dump,
loyal.
that big dump we got was from their earnings report in December of last year. I don't know.
Mr. Patel, good morning. Good morning.
Looks bullish.
Joey, you gotta divert your mind just to SPY, buddy. Think of SPY being your wife. And all the other tickers being the big titty strippers. You know, you gotta close your eyes on them. Telling you, you just gotta close your eyes on them and just focus just
There
on
you
SPY.
go. Look what Swing Trades just said.
It's because he was messing around with a big titty stripper. You see, that's what happens. That's what happens.
Good morning,
Just follow
YouTube.
the money. Just follow the money, buddy. The money is in SPY.
But do you make money?
Oh, lost a lot of money last week, actually.
I'm manifesting a great week for you this week. Just don't swing.
6 figures is a great week.
Dude, just Joey, you got to think of SPY as like you own a landscaping company and SPY's your Rolls Royce lawnmower.
That's a horrible analogy. I thought mine was better, honestly.
This guy can't even spell analogy, and he said we suck at it.
That's why I turned the mic on. I'm like, fuck it, I can't spell this shit, but you two are the worst with analogies. We went from big tits to Rolls Royce landscaping.
Dude, it's like all these little other stocks. You're trying to mow lawns with scissors to make money. Or you can just cruise around on your lawnmower on SPY.
All right. I just got a Jersey Mike's subs notification. Get double points, baby.
Guys, after we're done with the live session today, we'll do the price action class. If you guys want to hang around. If not, if you got stuff to do, that's fine. I'm still going to record it, and I'll post it in the masterclass section. Yes, sir. Lobo, I apologize, dude. I already cracked my monster this morning, so in spirit. Oleg, I'm muting your mic. I hear stuff in the background. The mics are off. I left them off today if you guys want to talk, but sometimes when you join the live, the mics are unmuted.
Oh, I fucked up my rim yesterday so badly, guys. I'm so upset.
You fucked what up?
My rim.
Your rim?
Yeah.
On a vehicle?
Yeah, my expensive rim.
What the fuck are you doing?
Stupid.
How bad?
Bad.
Is it like all rashed?
Yeah, super rashed.
Oh God.
Look at the market conditions, guys. Price is going dumping, and MACD is not even buzzing. But conditions are very, very bearish.
What's up, Jeremy? Welcome. I don't know if you can hear us. No, you can't.
Welcome to the group.
What time is it? Market's about to open. I'm curious what they're going to do at yesterday's highs or Friday's highs here, 637 30s area. If they're going to poke through and get everybody bearish and then hit the reverse gear, or bounce off of here, find support, and then reject somewhere near 638 40s. We'll see. No rush. It's Monday, guys. Let them go. Whatever way they want to go, let them go. Let them go.
I want to see last week highs, aka Friday highs, being rejection. If we are rejecting Friday's highs, guys, but now it's a support caveat of PCP. It's a fucking daunting task going down, guys.
Yeah. But I could see them potentially breaking through it today and then doing a fake out. But if they go up right now and reject somewhere, I'd much rather try to chase a put. If we as long as we're below 638 40s area, like POC area, we'll see. Give us some time. It's Monday morning. No rush. No rush. How do contracts look today?
I do have puts on my screen, 0 dates.
Holy moly, look at the freaking IV on same days.
It's better.
It's disgusting. It's low.
It's better than I saw before. I think I saw 11 or 10%.
What's the ratio? Anything heavy? Call side's heavy right now. Interesting. Lots of calls are coming in right now.
On 638. I really want 638. I'm going to wait. But this is POC, guys. POC is being rejected. We are being rejected of POC right now. I just got into puts, guys. Same day, 638. POC is being rejected. This is looking bearish. Conditions are bearish. My price target is PCP. Or equal low, actually. I'll take an equal low.
I'm gonna
Hopefully it's not a higher low, but
I'm gonna let them
POC
fizzle
just
out.
dropped in again.
I'm gonna let them fizzle out first. It's Monday. No rush. I'd like to see some type of overreaction, big breakdown to the south side, or a huge push north. Every day for the last
We are making
2 weeks, we've sold off in the morning. So
last week highs is a rejection. POC rejecting. Markets at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. This is the only form of support right now.
I would assume there would be profit takers from Friday.
It should be.
But if you swung calls at the end of the day on Friday, you're probably red here. So
The VIX is up, so IV is up, so I think they get boosted a little bit. Both sides got boosted because of the VIX. Okay, now volume is coming in, guys. This is not good. Volume is coming in.
I'm gonna give it some time. I'm gonna wait a little
As
bit,
long as
guys.
we're rejecting Friday's highs. Last week's highs is rejecting. I'm still holding. I am green 1 cent. I got $100 on this trade, baby. We're rich. Wow, still rejecting last week's highs. Look at that. Look how many wicks is rejecting. 1, 2, 3. Let's close below it again. No, market doesn't want to close below it now. We closed above last week's highs. Conditions are super bearish.
Just give it some time. QQQ is trying to be bullish. QQQ is rejecting view up. They're at the floor. Let's see if they flip this floor, get back into this channel. QQQ. SPY's just looking bearish right now. I see mixed signals. So I'm gonna still wait. If Q falls off a cliff from here, SPY's gonna put in a fresh low. If they break supply and head up, SPY's gonna head to 637.90s. Trump on Fed Chair Powell. He's leaving very soon. I'll miss him. Really? Where did he say that, AR? On Truth Social? QQQ's breaking through supply, guys. QQQ is trying to break through supply. They're almost above VWAP, closing above VWAP. 40 seconds. Let's see what happens. They got POC and VWAP. QQQ.
SPY's POC in last week's highs. Yeah. I'm almost break even on this bullshit. I'm actually up now. Oh yeah, I just got the notification. He's leaving soon. I'll miss him. What a sarcastic asshole.
Truth Social?
Just got the notification, yeah.
Who the hell is this?
If we can't break down, guys, we're gonna try 638 resistance. Seems like we can't break down. We need to break down here. But the thing is that POC is here, controlling the price. We need to break down. If we can't break down, we're gonna break out. Give it some time if you don't have anything. I just saw last week's highs being rejected and I got in. There's 60,000 more calls than puts currently, so people are bullish. People are very bullish.
QQQ is looking extremely
close.
bullish. I'm thinking I'm gonna jump in a call, and my risk is gonna be
I don't
a
think we should do anything.
fresh low.
There's nothing here. There's nothing here, honestly. Because we're just dancing around POC.
I like the Qs. If we pull back a little bit, just a little bit, I'm gonna try to jump in a call. 637 calls.
These are burning games. There's so much clusters here. Last week's highs, 200 EMA on the 5 minute.
637
And
calls. I'm in 637 calls. $1.25 average. I want VWAP. VWAP or 637.90. I have 6 cents already. I like the Qs. It's kind of a meat grinder zone though.
yeah, it's a meat grinder.
I like
Avoid
the
it,
Qs,
guys.
though.
If you don't have anything, avoid it.
Qs above VWAP POC. SPY struggling to take out Friday's highs. If I can squeeze 10 cents out, that would be great. I got 4 cents here. Last, let's say 637.30 is going to be my stop.
POC, guys. POC is just controlling the price. I'm break even here.
I like the bullishness on Qs though.
I don't recommend. No trades here. Sorry.
I just threw another 50 on. I'm going to sell my 50 back. Give me a better price. Okay. Same average somehow. $1.25. Conditions look bearish. Cloud conditions are bearish. MACD looks bearish. But Qs... we'll give it to 637.30. I'll take one more ad at 637.30 and try to jump out of it, jump in and jump out as long as we hold this floor. QQQ's rejecting now.
We're finally below POC, guys. Finally. Should I take profits here? I got 7 cents.
I just put my ad on here. I'm $1.20 average now. As soon as we flick back up to where I originally bought, $1.25, I'm going to sell my ad back. Just keep managing.
This is bearish, guys.
We break this floor out.
This is bearish, guys. Bearish. Oh yeah.
Loss on this sucker. I thought they were gonna go north. Q's faked me out. Q's broke VWAP, got above the 200 and rejected. Just came crashing back down. I'm still in. I'm down quite a bit.
I'm out, guys. 16 cents. I sold. I'm not waiting for the gap close reversal. All right.
My only concern is now that they fake previous close because everybody's going to try to go long off a previous close, and I'm getting fucking steamrolled now. I'm down 3,000.
Woo! This is great.
Let's hope QQQ holds a double bottom. This is my last ad at previous close.
I'm going to be right back, guys.
I should have stopped out when they broke the floor. Previous close, they're going to fool previous close, make the buyers look like it's going to bounce on and probably crack it. That makes the most sense right now. QQQ has to hold their floor. That's a rough fucking first trade. Still in. I have $1.17 average, 637 calls. We're at $1.08. See if we get a fake out candle or not now. What I don't like is the fact that there are more calls than puts on the board, but I'm only down $600 here. Need one more pop, I'll start trimming. I'll go back to my initial size, my initial entry size. See if we can hold this sucker down. QQQ still looks bullish in my opinion. QQQQQ. We got continuous squeeze bearish. MACD's pretty much rolling over on the Qs now, bearish. One more little pop past 637.40. I'm going to start taking profit off if they give it to me. I need Qs back above VWAP. SPY should get sucked back up to POC, 637.60s. There we go. I'm going to go back to my initial size. QQQ flips POC VWAP. They should take off. I see a higher low on the Qs, but SPY looks bearish, so I don't know. Everybody's probably loading calls at previous close here, and I wouldn't be surprised if they crack it now. I'm probably going to get trapped in this. We'll see. But Qs is looking bullish as fuck. Qs is looking bullish. POC VWAP is supply on Qs. As soon as they break the floodgates, we should push. Squeeze coming in bullish. Yeah, Qs is bullish. I'm staying in this. I'm only down $100 on the day. All right, I just flipped green now. There we go. QQQ's trying to put a fresh high in. I'm going to take some size back off now that I have profit. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 637.60s. That's my price target, but QQQ's blast off. Let's see if we get through sloping resistance here, and it's going to be a home run play. I'm still going to take size off here. This is sloping resistance. Bulls are stepping in with power. I'm going to take another $100, 100 contracts off. Right here. Okay, I'm down to 100 contracts. I have a $1.10 average. We're at $1.23. I'm up 2,100. I'm just going to hold and see if we break through this supply here and flip VWAP up. QQQ broke out, so let's see if bulls step in here. Man, they gave a freaking gap close reversal, dude. I'm very surprised they gave it that easy. I thought they were going to play some games. I'm still holding 100, guys. Let's see how far this thing goes. If we flip VWAP, it's party time. 638 is price target. Debating on just going down to 50 runners, though. to 50 runners, just in case we reject here. I'm down to 50 runners. If we blow through VWAP, I'll get back in. I'll add the 50 back in. I think 638 is very reasonable price target. We have squeezed bearish. MACD's curling up. QQQ is breaking out, but SPY is rejecting supply at VWAP. 637.70 is supply. Strong supply right now. I'm not fucking leaving. If we get a higher low here, I'm gonna put my 50 back on. As long as we get a higher low and we're above 637.20s, I'll put my 50 runners back to 100. You know what? I'm gonna try it here.
Oh, what a gap close reversal.
Dude, I didn't think they were gonna give it to us that easy. I'm pretty much in at previous close, like from my adding.
This is bearish, guys. This is bearish. Look at this, guys. We're closing below the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame, guys. This is bearish, 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 bearish. Why the hell did I? That bathroom break just costed me $1,000. 638, 638. I have puts on my screen. This is bearish, guys. Bearish, bearish, bearish. They want to break the floor, guys. They want to break the floor.
I'm giving it to the floor. If they take the floor out, I'm out. I'm gonna go back to full size. I'm gonna go back to full size here.
Look at that beautiful 5-minute rejection, guys. Last week's highs, guys, keeps rejecting.
I'm back in at full size.
Biggest level is last week's highs, guys.
I'm back in full size. Pretty much gave all my profits back. But I want to catch the whole entire move with 250 from the bottom here. If they do it. If they crack, previous close below, I'm out. But QQQ is looking bullish. QQQ is holding POC and VWAP. Higher lows. I'm not fucking leaving. QQQQQ.
Oh wow, we have an intraday sloping resistance also. This is great. Think they're gonna feast today? Want to do it today?
I don't know, man. Playing a dangerous
Guys,
game
below
right
PCP,
here.
guys, below PCP, I got nothing. I got nothing below PCP.
If they crack PCP, I'm gonna get steamrolled, but I like it. I have a $1.09 average. We'll see. I'm up like $600 here. I just want to see if they take off from this floor again. If they crack it, then it's a fast, immediate sell. This trade's not gonna work. So I didn't book my profit. I stayed in runners and then I went back to full size. That's why you should always just book your profit when you see it. But we shall see. I see higher highs and higher lows on QQQ's chart. And this might be double bottom on SPY. So if QQQ cracks their sloping support that they're making, then SPY's going to bleed out. And also, call side is much heavier than put side right now. QQQ wants to go north. QQQQQ wants to go north. All right, I'm gonna take some profit off again.
I got puts on my screen, guys. I just got in 638 same day puts. I'm in 130 average.
Don't
Just
look
got
like
into
they're
same
gonna.
day puts.
Don't look like they're gonna pop north anymore. Looks like weakness now. Look at the continuous squeeze in the volume.
I want a lower low. Price target 636.97. I'm in double position size.
I just don't like that you're buying puts at demand. That's the only thing. I would wait for them to crack PCP first and head south fast. Because if they bounce from here, then it's trappy. Because QQQ's looking bullish. Tesla's rocketing again. Oh God, that's probably why QQQ's looking bullish.
Tesla?
I'm staying in these calls, guys, until previous close breaks. I took size back off. I have $1,500 in profit here, so I'm just Q's is bullish right now, and we're above previous close. I see sloping support on Q's. As long as SPY pokes through POC 637 and we get back above Friday's highs 637.60s is basically where POC is. I'm gonna be super bullish. But VWAP's probably the most reasonable price target for these calls if anybody's in calls.
What I see the opening print, the floor is being a roof now. Unless we could get a firm close above it, which we're trying right now.
Look at the Q's chart though, man. Something's cooking. I think they're gonna blast it north.
Right now.
I'm up 2,200 here. I'm still holding 100 contracts. We'll see. $0.08 average. I could have freaking took all my profit and then hit this again, rinse and repeated it, and I would have been up like 4. But I stayed in.
God.
What the hell is that?
Sounds like a sloth.
Norville, was that you? I think that was Norville. Norville, your mic's on.
Opening print, guys. As you guys can see, the first 926 candles being rejected. Let's see. 926, 929, 931. That previous floor is now becoming a roof. As long as we don't touch last week's highs, guys, we're super bearish right now. We are super bearish. We are super, super bearish, guys, because the previous floor is now made it as a roof. Now we should break down.
I don't know. I still see sloping support on Qs.
Look at the VIX, guys. Look at the VIX. VIX looking beautiful. Oh, VIX is approaching resistance. Huge resistance on VIX is approaching. I'm not leaving my trade until VIX approaches that resistance. I'm going to stay in my trade. I'm still in my trade. I want VIX resistance. It's 1556. That's when I leave this trade.
I'm going to go back to full size position again for the third time. See if this works. Third time's a charm.
1554. 1554.
Previous close breaks. We close below previous close and VWAP and all that shit on QQQ. Then I'll get out of it. Closing basis. Call side's heavier. It makes sense for them to go south. I fucked up. I had profit twice. Good amount of profit twice. I still have profit here. I just not as much as I had.
Come on, VIX breakout. VIX want to break out.
I don't know, man. Q's is telling me a different story. If Q's rolls over, then SPY is going to go night-night. But I see beautiful sloping support on Q's right now. Beautiful sloping support. Squeeze is just straight bullish on QQQ and Squeeze is bearish on SPY. It's mixed signals.
Go VIX.
POC just popped here on SPY.
Let's go VIX.
I'm at $400 on the day now. Give it one more shot. One more bounce out of here. See if they can take sloping resistance out this time. If they don't do it and they reject like 637.40s area, 45, then I'm going to exit. Because right now tops are falling. Bottoms are rising on QQQ though. That's why I think it's fucking with me. This makes sense for a textbook bull trap. Looking like support at previous close and then they take the floor out fast. So one more push, see if we can get through supply. If not, then I just take my profit. I'm up 1,200 here. I gotta stop waiting for a bigger move. I could have traded all these cycles, dude, and been up a bag, and I'm waiting for like a bigger move. QQQ still bullish. Okay, back to 2,000. I am going to take some off. This is sloping resistance. A little bit higher. I'm still holding 100. Let's see if they actually break it this time. Keep teasing me. I want them to go bust through VWAP right now. With $1.03 average, we're at $1.13. QQQ is still looking bullish, guys. QQQ is still looking bullish. But SPY is at sloping resistance. If they poke through this, man, it's going to be party time. MACD's curling up. We're about to get a 10 o'clock algo candle. About to get a 10 o'clock algo candle.
This is bearish, guys. I'm telling you, look at the VIX.
Sloping resistance. This is sell target here. I'm just being greedy.
Broke out, back tested, broke out again, back tested. Oh, this is bullish on VIX. This is super bullish on VIX, guys. Those are above 1513. We're bullish on VIX.
I want them to bust their VWAP, breakout candle, bear trap candle, and then I'm out. I see sloping resistance about to break, and SPY is just making continuous higher highs and higher lows, so they should go north. They should go north. There's the 10 o'clock candle. Let's see. I'm up 1950 here. Just chilling. Previous close is my stop if we close below. But look at the Qs, man. Qs wants to go north, dude. They're grinding. They're in an algo right now, QQQ. As long as SPY can get through the sloping resistance, it's going to be off to the races. They're going to have a power move north, in my opinion. I'm not fucking leaving.
We just rejected sloping resistance.
I think they're fooling, man. Look at the conditions on the Qs.
I mean, I'm looking at the VIX, and the VIX conditions is super bullish. That's why I'm confident in this trade that it's going to work out, honestly. I'm very confident we're going to dump, because look at the VIX's conditions on the 5-minute time frame.
If nobody's in a trade yet, though, the best areas are sloping resistance to try a short and previous close to jumping calls. That's proven as of right now. So that's why I keep trying calls. I keep adding calls at previous close. And until it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But as of right now, I have the bottom. The conditions on QQQ is just extremely bullish. But they keep dancing POC around on SPY. I think there's going to be a breakout candle coming.
Are we above a weekly level on QQQ? Oh, yes, we are. This is so weird because we keep rejecting last week's highs on SPY, but Q's is telling a different story. Yeah, I see it.
So, I mean, dude, if they open the floodgates, it's going to be a fast candle north, and then that's when I'm going to try to jump out. I should sell here. This is view up. I'm up 3,000 here. I want to see if
resistance.
I want to see if we get a breakout candle or not. Being greedy.
This is resistance. This is resistance. This is the best place for call puts, guys. I just added. This is the best place. If this does not work out, we're gonna break out like crazy.
I'm staying. I'll stay a little bit longer.
I'm gonna break out like crazy if this doesn't work. I added here, guys. I need a dump. Ryan, you are greedy, my friend.
I know. I had like 3 opportunities to take profit. I could take it here for 2,600. If the floodgates open, dude, it's gonna be a fast candle north.
You are greedy,
Here you go, Brandon.
Yeah, I'm going to take it. I'm all out. 2,500. I took it. If we pull back to previous close again, area, and hold it, I'm going to jump back in. But, dude, look at the Qs, man. Still sloping support. Higher highs, higher lows. Still forming on the Qs. One more pullback, I'm getting back in. Or if I see a power push north, I'm chasing calls.
Resistance breaking. We might close above it.
I'm back in calls. 637 calls, I'm back in. Very tight stop on this. I'm buying calls at supply. If they reject, I'm out. I want the breakout move. This looks like momentum's starting to build for a push north now. What do I have here? I have a $1.18 average. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. 637.70 is supply, though. 637.70s.
This is the weekly level.
I'm going to take it. 2 cents. I just sold. I'll wait for a better entry. I don't like this entry at all. It's too dangerous to buy calls here. Buddy, you talked me out of my fucking calls, man. 638's price target. You talked me out of my calls.
I didn't talk to you enough.
Yeah,
I'm down like a motherfucker right now.
Yeah, because you're in puts.
I am steamrolled, baby.
Bottom ticker. Is anybody holding calls? Told you, 638's price target. Look at QQQ, guys. QQQ, clear as day, man. Sloping support. Doesn't get any more clear than that. And this is a W pattern on SPY now. 638's price target. The 200 on the 1 minute. Fuck, I wish I held. Is anybody holding? Trim some off. Damn it, that would have been a home run. What sloping resistance, Norville, on the 5 minute? $630, $830s, somewhere in there. Yeah, be careful. Fucking supply and sloping resistance, dude, just has not been working. That's all I have to say. Shorting supply in this market conditions is very dangerous. I'd try a put here. A little bit higher, I would try a put. And if it doesn't work, just get the fuck out of it. Let me see. I'll get 638 puts on my screen.
That's exactly what I have. I'm about to add. I want
the 200 to
I want
touch.
us to test the supply. Yep, that's what I'm waiting for to add.
I'm going to start my position here. 93 cents. I'll start my position here. I'm going to give it to the 200 to breathe, and then if we blow past the 200, then I'm not interested in that trade anymore. But I want to start now just in case we pull back. Starter. We're bullish right now. A little bit higher, I'm going to add the 200. My only other concern right now for the put side is that QQQ is looking like a breakout right now. I'm going to add a little more. This is bullish. A little more, a little higher. I muted him. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, a little bit higher is your ideal.
I don't like the strength on Qs though. Joey. See what Joey, you're funny. God damn it, Ryan, giving all our secrets out. I'm in puts, guys. 92-cent average. We'll see how far we dump. 637.70s is probably going to be take profit zone for me. I'm green here. Oh, never mind. I'm break even now. POC just came in at the top on Qs. The 200 on the 1 minute is the best area for a short position, in my opinion. I want them to go up a little bit higher, but I have a decent sized position here.
Oh, I added right when you started. I'm holding a bag. Fucking. Either I get steamrolled or I get my money back.
We'll get a nice pullback to 637.70s, in my opinion. That's probably where I'm going to take majority at that previous supply. But QQQ is just a monster right now. Just higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, QQQ. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. And start trimming some out. Take some off. Why are my contracts moving? Whoa, are they doing
What's your average?
Are they doing damage to premiums right now? 92 cents. I think.
Oh, why? It's at 94, 95.
I know, but I have the top. It's barely moving.
Oh, they'll move. Buddy, I have 119 average, so it really doesn't faze me.
There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Take half off here, guys. I'm taking half off here. That's VWAP. I am holding runners now. If we flip off a VWAP, I'm just going to sell everything. 20 seconds. Let's see. QQQ still holding higher highs, higher lows support. I want them to blow through VWAP, go to low a day. But structure is bullish. 8 seconds. Let's see how we close. Q's is looking bearish. Starting to roll over. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm staying. QQQ's looking bearish. QQQ finally broke their sloping support channel. I want SPY to get through VWAP now. Go touch POC. 637.46. My next price target if we break this. If we take out this previous candle, I'm going to hit sell. I'm in profit now, so now it's just a matter of when to take my profit off. If we flip this candle, close above this previous candle, I'll take profit. If we bust through VWAP, I want to take profit at POC. Three seconds. Close below. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. What was that? 92 cents in. 98 cents was my first fill. 95 cents. Yeah, premiums are slow on the put side today. The put side is very slow today.
Wonder why.
I don't know. They're getting fucking steamrolled though today, I can tell you that. Put side is getting ran the fuck over.
Wow, they want to break, guys. They want to break 638. Unless this is a double top. Oh, if we reject here, guys, we're going to low of day. This is crucial, very crucial here. Very crucial. Looking like they want to break, guys. They want to break 638 resistance. Yep.
This is the previous floor for pre-market. Looks like we're going to poke through now. Structure's still bullish on QQQ.
This is the best level to try if you want to. I want to see it. I just added 113 average now. This is very strong resistance as per the pre-market data. Very strong resistance, guys.
I don't know. I'm getting the vibe that we're back into like don't short the supply type of moves now. So I'm hands off. We're above Friday's highs. We're holding demand above Friday's highs. This is pre-market floor, I get that, but it just looks bullish now. It's bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. QQQ's looking bullish.
Wow, look at that. Supply's breaking. Holy shit. So many times it bounced as a support, and it just breaks the first time. See how rigged the market is? It should be strong supply here, man. It should be very strong supply.
I'm gonna wait for a little bit. Just see what the hell happens. I don't want to short. I don't want to try to step in front of this freight train if they start going into freight train mode again. So I see sloping.
Oh,
support.
baby, let's go. Finally. Come on.
They need to crack VWAP for you to have a chance.
You just give me... I could just get the fuck out of here. I hate trading when the VIX is so low, man.
When you were trading on Friday, dude, you were stopping out fast and then re-entering trades. Whenever you like get into the holding mindset, and I was holding long today too, it's just so much harder. And when the VIX is crushed, you kind of really don't have a choice but to wait for cycles and hold. So I don't know. They need to crack
These market
VWAP.
conditions are super difficult.
They need to crack VWAP.
Finally,
for you to
finally,
have
the
a-
channel is breaking. Last week's highs is the price target now. Let's see how last week's highs were respects. We were supposed to reject heavy on 638, as we did. It makes sense. Let's see how they play. There is more calls than puts on the board. Over 200,000 more calls. You don't even know what kind of disgusting position I have, Ryan.
I have an idea because I hear you adding over there, but I don't know.
Let's go. Oh.
All I played today was I just kept hammering calls off a previous close. I'm surprised they gave it to the Bulls that easy. Honestly, it seemed like it was too good to be true. That's why I was kind of concerned going long off of it, but the conditions on QQQ.
The gap close reversal.
Yeah, it just seemed too good to be true this morning. But the conditions on QQQ were super bullish. That's why I kept going call focused. QQQ is just continuous higher highs and higher lows all morning. We just started a lower high on QQQ, so let's see if they can crack VWAP now. QQQ cracks VWAP, then it would be a good time to start chasing puts, I would say. I still have 638 puts on my screen. I just want them to go first. I don't want to get caught in the fuckery. There goes lower low on QQQ. Attempt.
There you go. There you go. One.
But POC keeps popping in. I'm going to try it. 638 puts. I'm back in. We have a lower high on Qs. Now they're making a lower low. Let's see if we can crack VWAP this time.
Woo!
There we go.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Get it done.
That was an instant freaking 10 cents.
Oh, buddy, you don't even know how many contracts I'm holding right now.
Instant 10 cents. This is take profit zone for me. POC 637. Oh, never mind. Woo, baby!
Oh, buddy.
That's a home run.
Oh, buddy.
like a fucking sniper, baby.
buddy.
I'm like a sniper. I'm taking my profits. $2,200 on that
Buddy,
trade.
I'm still in. Buddy.
I'm
That
taking
was
my
a trap,
profits.
trap, trap, trap.
I'm out. 6,000 on the day. That's it. Calculated snipe. First lower high came in on QQQs. I said as soon as they break VWAP, we get the lower low, they're going to go. I jumped on the train, 22 cents. I'm all out. 6,000 on the day now. That's it. Just stay fucking
Very
calculated. Like a cheetah. You just pounce like a fucking cheetah.
Good job. I decreased my position by half. I am on green on the day.
93 cents in, $1.17 out. $93 in, $1.17 out. I hope you sold, Albert.
Albert, you should not be trading right now. You should be watching the masterclass videos.
Oh, dude, we're all hungry. I get it. Once you bite that poison apple and start making Wi-Fi money. But Dimitri has a point. You got to learn first.
Not be fucking trading, buddy. Options is an art.
Did anybody catch that waterfall with me? Joey, you did good, though. You're doing good. You're on the right track, man. You're just slow and steady. That's it. You fucking blew up a lot of money with Top Step. That was the problem. Top Step makes it way too easy. Nice job, Shuri. Let's go.
Come on, can we continuously dump actually? I'm still holding my half position. Come on, let's dump. By the way, Ryan, I had 500 contracts. I'm holding 250 contracts.
Are you green on the day?
I am green on the day.
Dude, honestly, this looks like a fucking liquidity sweep on Qs. If QQQ flips a POC.
Wow, look at the ticks. Look at the ticks. Look how they're dumping the ticks right now, guys. Holy shit. Ticks are dumping like no tomorrow. Negative 600. Come on, can we get continuation?
Holy cannoli. POC just came in right here. Holy cannoli.
QQQ is participating. QQQ is breaking sloping support. I'm not leaving. I still have half. Let's go.
You're not
Break the
leaving?
fucking floor. Break the fucking floor. I gotta take my father to the doctor's office in 30 minutes. Can I just make some money?
I'm going to use that play that I just did as an example for price action momentum trading because it doesn't get more textbook than that, guys. Does not get more textbook than that.
I mean, that was a perfect level trade. If you guys zoom out, 638 was such a big demand. And then when it cracked, it can't fucking break after one time from being support like 5 times pre-market. Doesn't make sense. 638 is a very big level. Very big level.
I got in on the low attempt on QQQ. Once I saw QQQ made a lower high, and then they started going for a lower low, that's when I chased puts on SPY. And it just so happened to be at VWAP and everything, but I still personally think that this is a liquidity grab and they're going to try to go north.
You think so?
Yeah.
It makes sense.
Yep.
I just flipped red on the day.
I think that could have been the shakeout candle for drop the bulls off at the party, and then they're gonna start the party now. But there's still more calls. There's a lot more calls and puts on the board, so I'm kind of, I don't know. I'm a little mixed today. QQQ and SPY aren't really acting the same. Conditions are a little bit mixed for me. Let's take a look at everything else. Nvidia sideways. Apple also sideways. QQQ rocket ship. Tesla rocket ship north. AMD bullish. Google bearish. Microsoft sideways. Amazon sideways bullish. Meta looks like a bull flag, but bearish intraday. Same thing on Netflix. I gotta get rid of
Break of
that.
structure 638, guys. Break of structure.
Look at UNH, dude. UNH looks horrible. Guys, if UNH takes out the lows again and just completely vomits back below 248, which it's looking like it's going to happen, I'm going to do a long dated option call play again. But I want to see like some fast selling pressure come in. Like if we get a big gap down or we knife intraday. If we're back below the previous low that we hit, I'm going to go long, maybe 2 or 3 months out calls like I did before. Everything's sideways now, in my opinion. Tech is mixed, bullish and bearish. QQQ looks confused. Yeah, I can't imagine that it's going to be good, Shuri. Let's see. What was their earnings last quarter? Earnings were they lost $2 billion in revenue. That's what they reported last quarter, and that's when we dumped. I don't know. We'll see.
Ryan, I just saw your text message.
Which one? Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's funny, right?
That is fucking hilarious. Let's get the job done. Come on.
You
This is
never
annoying.
know, Dimitri. You never know out here
About what? Somebody's
these-
personal life?
in these streets.
Can we please slice last week's highs? Okay, last week's highs.
That sounds like a horrible time to walk around New York, Joey. Oh, shit. Dimitri, you're going to take care of Joey?
We have restaurant plans. I'm down to have a sit down restaurant with him, but the walking part, that's all on him, buddy.
Guys are gonna go to 47th.
I can introduce him to a few people.
Joey, have you ever been at 47th Street? Yeah. We're sideways right now. I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I'm kind of just waiting to see what the hell Q's wants to do. See sloping support building again, but we have major supply on that pre-market floor at 638. So as of now, the proven short is 638. It's the best area to try to short, and if they break above it, then stop out. Sloping resistance is intact on QQQ. But we are at POC, VWAP, all the EMAs, everything's bunched up right here, so I'm hands off. I don't like this area for a trade right now. Let them pick a side. Oh, shit.
Look at the conditions. They're bullish and they're going down.
Yeah, they're confused. It looks like they're confused. And I'm having a feeling that it has to do with the amount of people that are bullish right now. There's much more calls than puts on the board, so I'm thinking that they can either stay sideways here or go test previous close again. I just don't like the bullishness on QQQ. How's everybody doing today? You guys green? AR? You're green. Den? You're green. You're green, no green?
I'm about to be super green again.
I'll tell you what.
This is a wedge.
If they trap back down a previous
This is a
close,
wedge.
I'm going to hammer calls again.
They break this fucker down. If they break this fucker down, guys, I'm gonna be printing like crazy. Money factory is gonna start.
You got to be green here now.
I am green. I'm green on the day. Yeah. This is great. I'm not fucking leaving now.
Take some size off. Oh, shit.
No, this is a very manageable size. This is very manageable size.
There you go.
Woohoo! Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Break this. We need to break this, guys. This is
sideways
support.
stuck. QQQ. Look at how small
This is
candles on QQQ.
Oh, buddy. Helping support, guys. Take some profits if you want. I'm not leaving.
Should take
God.
it. Should take it.
I should take it. Anybody's inputs should take it. I want it to break. Can you please break?
Sideways, man.
They might test. They might retest last week's highs. Last week's highs was never back tested.
Last week's highs We're below last week's
Friday's
highs.
high. Yeah, but it's sliced and never back tested. We need a back test. Here's the back test. Here is the back test. Right? Success, but like back test. You gonna make this a resistance? Of course it doesn't. Oh, buddy. Beautiful. Backtest VWAB, backtest last week's highs. Now we should break if they want to do it.
So QQQ is hanging on by a thread right now on demand. QQQ I see is just sideways sitting on demand. I'd wait for them to crack demand and try to have a nice push south, and that's when you can most likely attack puts. I don't like anything here. We're in the middle. We're stuck at everything. There's POC, VWAP, my EMAs, everything's all bunched up here in the middle sideways. So risk to reward isn't really great here for an entry, in my opinion.
Yeah, this is a very bad entry.
We're pretty much, look at 9:30 candle. We're pretty much right where we opened today. So market so far is looking like it's going to be a sideways type of bullshit day.
Put swingers got demolished, call swingers got demolished, and now they're fucking with the intraday swingers.
Yeah.
So this is an agenda for now, yeah. Calls and put swings both got fucked.
Yep. Yes, they
Now they're
did.
fucking with the intraday people.
Hello.
Sorry.
The hell was that?
Instagram, sorry.
Where's the astrology guy? Patel?
Oh yeah, we didn't dump on Sunday. Patel, what's up? We didn't dump on Sunday. Yeah.
Patel, where are you, Patel? Cherie's calling you out. wait.
This is sloping resistance, guys. We're in a wedge. We might not do anything unless a wedge breaks up or it breaks down. Conditions are flat. MACD's hugging and kissing. Nothing here. POC's here. Top of the wedge rejected.
Moons don't go dark in one day. It's a cycle. That's a good analogy. I see bullishness on QQQ. I see bullishness. Calls is going to
Yeah,
work.
Q's looking good. Q's looking great.
Sloping resistance breaks. Calls is going to work to the 200 price target. I'm not going to participate in this. I don't like how we're stuck in the middle. So looking like calls to the 200 though. I don't like how our volume dried up and we're just very small body candles now. Wait for some fireworks. That's where the money is. You have to wait for fireworks.
Sloping resistance broke. We should go up now.
I'm taking calls. I'm going to ride this to the 200. Want the 200 POC is going to be my stop. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 200. You're going to give me the 200? I'm going to take some off just in case we reject here. I'm just taking my baby scalps. Yeah, I just sold some. 6 cents. Holding runners to see if we push the 200 or not, but QQQ is rejecting supply again. This is probably price target take profit zone. I'm going to hold runners just because I have a cushion. We need to go below the VWAP for me to even flip red on this because I took half of my profit off, so it's fine. It's fine. Let this sucker work. If we break the 200, I'm taking profit though. About to hit 10 cents. You know what? I'm taking it. Not quite 10 cents, but it's good enough for me. I'm all out. 66.50.
Nice.
66.50. $1.24 to $1.30. Yuck. Premiums are slow today, man. Premiums are slow, but they're getting demolished fast. That's what I see. And I don't like it. IV is super, super low on same days. So you have to just trade the chart, trade what you see. Don't look at the price.
What a dreadful day. And I'm telling you guys, when the VIX is so low, you can't expect a lot from market conditions. VIX makes the market boring now. We got very, very lucky in April. March, April was fun. Beginning of the year was great. On the wedge, nothing here. See.
We're still sideways, in my opinion. We're just stuck. We're stuck at POC. Q's isn't doing anything. VWAP is the magnet right now. All the EMAs, everything's bunched up right here.
But SPY is lower low, lower high, guys. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. If you guys can see, I'll post a picture. SPY is lower low, lower high. Break of structure is 638. So if we do dump, we need to dump like now. If not, we're going to be sideways all day.
SPY's in a wedge, buddy. SPY's
I
wedging.
understand that. I just posted that. That's correct.
You did?
I just posted it. Look
Yeah.
at the picture.
Yeah. I'm not looking at Discord.
Lower low, lower high.
Wedgie. I see a wedgie. Oh, I'm green as guac, Ryan. I'm just trying to be patient today. I don't want to jump in too fast. Just looks very, very, very sideways to me now. Dimitri, are you jumping off soon?
I gotta jump off in 10 minutes.
All right, give me a. I'm gonna jump off like really quick, and then I'll come back on for the class. I just gotta let the dog out because she's barking already, and then I'll come right. I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
Tops are falling on SPY, guys, but bottoms are also rising. We need to fucking do something already. QQQ's breaking VWAP. SPY's breaking VWAP. Finally, they're both participating. This is just collapsing, man. Cannot catch a bid. Here we are. I'm gonna sell my puts if we dump, and if we don't dump, I'm gonna sell it also. I'm break even on them, on the runners. Are we gonna collapse here, or is last week's highs gonna hold? This is last week's highs. And of course we hold. QQQ POC. SPY POC. Make a move. The best call play is on their PCP. 637 is the best call play. As you guys zoom out, it's a very nice cluster there. $636.96 to be exact. This is the bottom of the wedge. Can we please break this right here? This would be great. This is sloping support, breaking, volume coming in. Finally, we close below it. We just closed below sloping support. This is bearish. This is great. This is great. Finally, let's go. My price target is QQQ sloping support. Can we go lower? This is the 200 on the 5 minute for SPY. Such a daunting task going down, honestly, guys. It's ridiculous. Look at that. I mean, we broke the wedge downwards. We should go lower, guys. We should go. We should go low of day, actually. Yeah, we should go low of day since we broke the wedge downwards. I'm holding to low of day, guys. We should go low of day. QQQ is close to sloping support. SPY has more, in my opinion. Still in. SPY has more, guys. A little bit more, and I'm out. QQQ sloping support. A little bit more. I know you have a little bit more. I'm very green. Finally. A little bit more. QQQ. There you go, guys. QQQ. There you go. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm all out. That's it. I just sold. Very green on the day. Very green on the day. I'm done, guys. That was a 250 contract move. QQQ is at sloping support. SPY broke its sloping support, but that's why I sold. I'm looking at Qs right now for sloping support. Sorry, guys. I don't know what happened there. Oh, Albert, it's very difficult to trade right now, buddy. Very difficult. I gotta teach you the VIX. I gotta teach you the VIX, Albert. So this is why I sold, guys. If you guys look at QQQ, it bounced right off of sloping support. But SPY is going to do dirty games because of QQQ sloping support. I'm 100% cash, guys. I have nothing. SPY should go lower now, in my opinion. Albert, ticker VIX. Whatever you see on VIX, like it's at $15 right now. Divide that by 16, and that's the average move that we're gonna have on a daily. That makes sense. That's the rule of 16. Like, can you imagine if the VIX is at 40, so divided by 16? Like look at the daily candles. Like look at the daily candles on VIX. Look at the daily candles on SPY, and look and calculate how much VIX was when the daily candles on SPY was massive. Like look at back in March, February, and April when VIX was crazy elevated and those daily candles were massive on SPY. That's when it's fun. VIX is at $15 right now. It's such horrible market conditions. That's why. If you want those bombastic moves up and down, VIX needs to break out, man. This is very boring, guys. Do not deposit money. Do not over leverage. I hate when the VIX is 15, 14, $13. The VIX, when the VIX is $13, oh my god. Just don't even bother. It's just called the rule of 16, guys. When the VIX is Anything just divided by 16. That's the average SPY price you're getting. Go low of day in my opinion, guys. SPY should go low of day. The best place to buy calls is below PCP 636.96. That's what I think. I'll take a picture. Why? Look at this cluster mountain, guys. I'm showing you why that's the best place to get calls. Right below PCP. You're patient, just be patient. That was a beautiful bounce off of Q's sloping support. SPY is going to follow the Q's, obviously. During calls, price target is QQQ POC. QQQ POC is about to hit. I have puts on my screen again. I have 638 puts. A little bit higher. I want QQQ POC to hit. Might not get it. Boys are bearish finally. I don't know if one order is enough, but they're bearish. Big boys are bearish, guys. I just got into puts, guys. I'm chasing 638 puts. I just got in. We might go higher though. This could be fuckery.
All right, I'm back.
My price target remains QQQ.
Did you get out of puts?
Yes, I did, and I just re-entered. Yeah, I'm green on the day, so I'm happy.
Sloping support. Sloping support broke.
Yep.
QQQ's below VWAP. Looking bearish now.
Let's go. Let's go. Can we please have a dump for me?
Previous close price target.
Please have a dump for me. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, come on.
Previous close price target.
Woohoo! Come on. Come on. Tap it in.
Oh, did you watch the new one yet?
Tap it in, baby. Woohoo! Come on, come on, come on. How you want to do it, you asshole?
Any of you guys watch the new Happy Gilmore?
Boom, boom, boom. Okay.
I'm gonna rinse and repeat calls at previous close if they hold it, but everything looking bearish now.
A little bit lower. There you go, guys. I'm all out. Done. I'm all out. That was 200 contract size. That was beautiful. That was gorgeous. I'm all out. I'm done. $5,400 on a day. And I'm happy. I'm super happy.
Previous close.
I'm super happy. A little bit lower than previous close. I posted a picture, guys, for you. A little bit lower. I think we're gonna make a new low, in my opinion.
QQQ's got room. South. If they want to start the party.
A bit lower, guys. My price target is 636.96. If you're still holding, but if you're patient to get calls, wait for that.
Nice job, Norville. 20 cents
Good
on
job, buddy.
Cooters. Let's
Good
go.
job.
Nice job. What did you post here? Big boys. Oh, wow. 637.38. They're at the money. They're at the money. Dimitri.
Yes, they are. Honestly, I don't give a fuck anymore. I'm not swinging anymore. I'm not holding a bias. I lost too much money last week. I gotta make $25,000 back to be.
Could you say that again for the record, and then I'll screen clip it, and then
No.
next time you
Last
swing.
week was my first red week. Honestly, I got hammered last week.
Next time you swing, then I'm gonna resend it to you and say you said it.
I'm not swinging anymore. I'm not doing any of that shit. I don't give a fuck where the market goes.
You guys hear that?
All right, I gotta get out. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go pick up my father. I hope there's no more traffic. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here.
I'll give you a call a little bit later. I'm gonna go over some price action tape reading and maybe a little bit of SPX for Mr. Patel.
Take care, everyone. Don't put everybody to sleep, Ryan.
Oh, I never. It's gonna be a quickie. Nice job, AR. Tesla again. Tesla's been a monster lately. All right, let me end the YouTube because I don't want to stream this on YouTube, and then I'll re-record the price action class. So give me like 2 seconds. Let me end this. Let me end this.